What is that? I know that. Hii ni maji ya imemixiwa na Blue Band.
Really?
Family, how are you?
How you doing?
Hope you're good.
Yes, and you're great.
Yeah, today we're back with another cool video.
Yes, and so today, guys, without much rambling, let's get to the video.
Yes, and so what are we doing today?
So today, guys, we're going to test our buds.
Yes, testing our buds.
Yes, and we have different varieties of meals or drinks or anything.
Anything you can try.
Yes.
With anything when you're at home.
Yes, and we'll be blindfolding.
Or we close our eyes.
Yes, we can close our eyes.
Yeah, and tell what taste is that.
Yes,
you're tasting.
So let's get the video. And before that, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscription button and the thumbs up button.
If you love the video, make sure you
yes,
a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's start the video.
Yes, we're starting.
We do rock, paper, scissors.
Yes.
And we do
so that they can see.
Rock, paper, scissors. The rock in a crush the scissors.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you
do like this.
Oh, this.
Yes, like
I don't know this game.
Let's start
again.
Like when you do like this, rock, paper, scissors. The scissors will cut the paper.
Yes.
And if it's the rock, what it turn in crush the scissors.
Okay.
So let's start. 1, 2, starting.
Rock, paper, scissors.
1, 2, starting. Rock, paper, scissors.
I can't.
So you're the one starting.
So I'll be testing. You're the one closing your eyes.
No, you're the one closing your eyes.
Okay.
Let's just spoon.
So
guys, these are the things. Actually tumefunikia ndo mtu asione kenye yule mwingine amekuja nayo. So these are our things and we'll be using this. So you close your eyes. Stand them there. You close your eyes.
I'll be staying with them here so that you don't waste a lot of time
going there. Sawa.
Let's start. Deep.
Okay, let's start. So you close your eyes.
Okay,
and you look at the camera. So guys, I'm going to open mine and show you what I have prepared. So these are my things. I don't know if you can see them. Focus. Oh my goodness. What's not happening? Zinaanza kuweki. Oh, let's start the video now. So we have chosen like how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So let me start. So my first one is this one. Small. Still. Can you tell what is that?
This is so obvious. This is majani.
Yeah, part of this are tea leaves. This is tea leaves.
I haven't seen.
She's peeping with that.
No.
She's cheating.
No,
so
no.
let's move to the next product.
Close it. No, we are going to go.
Like one.
Yes.
Okay. Let's close.
She don't know the game.
Me, the game I saw, like walikuwa naenda zote alafu tena ndio mwingine.
No, let's make it interesting. We go. We see. You know it can get boring. Mtu akose kuochi wakati. Close your eyes. So guys, these are my products. Even never zile kumwagika. So don't mind,
And they're smiling.
that lies. I don't know if you are seeing them. I don't know how I'm going to do what show you. I can't. But they're going to mix. Let's begin with this.
Comment there below guys which team you are in. Team Agio, Team Julie.
Open your mouth. She don't know what is that.
Again.
No, it's just once. If you don't know, just open your eyes. We continue. Open your eyes.
Milk.
Open your eyes. No, it's not milk. Nona. Okay, let me tell you what is that. In Magia plums.
Wow.
That's, what can you call it in English?
Soup.
Yeah, like plum soup. Plums. Let's just call it soup. Let's go to the next one. Umeanguka.
So you close your eyes.
Don't go for obvious things. Okay.
The next one is this.
Kwani zako hazimwagiki? Mimi najua zangu sijaonyesha poa because zilikuwa zimekaa zinataka kumix. But open your lid. Damn. I know that taste. Wow. I open?
Yes.
That's jam.
Yes, that's jam.
Zesta. Let's go to the next one. What is that?
Any Magia chumvi.
Magia chumvi. Yeah, she has gotten it.
Yeah, salt mixed with water.
Yes. So, they're good at testing. Testing.
Yes, let's move to the next taste.
What is this? Hii kasi unga ugali.
Yeah, it's ugali flour.
Umekaa ushago unajua every taste.
Hiyo ni unga ugali, ni unga ugali.
Use your
Maize
eyes.
corn. Maize corn flour. Is it like that?
Stop looking.
I'm not peeping. I know that. Hii ni Magia imemixiwa na blueberry.
Really? Let me check. This girl. Anaongea tu vitu zake. Let me tell you, it's milk. And unasikia kile anasema.
I mean, it's my taste, you know. Nimetaste vitu nasikiaga bado ziko kwa mdomo.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Milk.
Yes, I don't. It's milk. I'll show you when you finish the challenge.
We move to the next one. Kwani wapi?
No.
I'm saying.
What is that? Ini chocolate. Chocolate. You know,
Yes.
chocolate which you can tell them
Which chocolate? Say the chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah. Cadbury.
Okay. I've got all. Let's see. Open your mouth.
That's chocolate.
Which chocolate?
The other one.
Which? Sorry. Cadbury.
Oh, the
Maybe
other
Anguka.
premium chocolate. Close your eyes. Wow.
What's that?
You know that taste. Colgate.
Yes, Colgate. Which?
Yeah,
Which Colgate?
Colgate Herbal.
Yes, Colgate Herbal.
Yeah, I've got at least. I have how many points?
Even
3.
Not 3.
Yeah, 3 or 4. 3.
Let's
you?
continue.
Yeah, let's continue.
I have more points than her.
Let's move on.
Sorry. Winnie. What? Hey, what's that?